This will be a short video on this single motor 4-function robot toy thingy I'm making. It's just an update of the last couple of videos. Just started out with this thing that had 3 functions: left, right, and forward. This one has left, right, forward, and reverse. Since the last video, I've added a Geneva mechanism for indexing. Here's what it looks like. I operate it with this little switch box. So this gives a more positive indexing of the cams. I had to put a pin or holes in all 3 of them for alignment purposes for when I assembled it. There is a 3mm or 1/8 inch brass shaft running through here. This neck's down so small right here that I wasn't able to make the whole thing 3D printed without making all of this considerably larger. I'll demonstrate how it works now. It's forward, reverse, stop. I'll spin it to it's stop, forward, spin left, forward, reverse, stop, spin right. I'll show some of it up closer to get a good look at that mechanism. Forward, stop, reverse. It should index twice. Stop, left, right. Should index 2 more times. Forward. You can see in forward both cams have pulled these push rods up so that the gears that drive the wheels on these idlers are connected to this back shaft here. And in reverse, both push rods are forward. The cams are on their lowest point, and the idlers have moved forward to select this drive gear. The other change I made from the last version was I changed this switch cam so that the switch naturally falls within this little D-dent. Helps keep this lined up. Otherwise, in the old version, the switch roller ran up on top, and it would often try to fall off to one side or another. This just gives a natural D-dent just from the switch springiness. Helps keep this in its right index position. I still haven't gotten rid of these rubber bands. They may become a permanent feature. Not really sure where I'm going with all this yet. Made a few changes to my program in the A-Tiny 85. Nothing major. Got a fly in here. This was the same. The hard part is getting all this where it can actually be assembled. This was an older version I made. There is a alignment holes in all 3 where you can put this little T-pin. It's a 1mm diameter pin. It's a pretty commonly available. So it goes right through there and lines all this up when these 3 are just glued to this 1/8 inch shaft in here. This one had threaded pieces on the end, but I've done away with those. These are just little caps that stick on there. The threaded part had to be so short that it became difficult to assemble. Well, I believe that's all I wanted to show. So thanks for watching.